It's time for some Christmas lights. Hello, welcome back to Photonic Luminescence. Today I am going to show you this new vintage Christmas light. Since I bought it after Christmas, the price tag over here is not the actual price I paid. I only paid €1, which is actually pretty cheap, and let's see if it's worth that €1. Once again, these are new vintage Christmas lights, and I'm going to explain why they are vintage. But now let's actually take a look at the package itself. We can actually see that it says multicolor, that it has 20 lamps, and the size of the cord. But since it is a decorational product, we don't really get other details about it. And that's really basically it. Let's unbox it. Let's actually see what this €1 can offer us. And here we have the lights. Already they look actually pretty good, and once again they are new, which is obviously awesome because hey, they are new, they're going to last a little bit more. And the reason why I say that is because these are actually incandescent light bulbs, not LEDs. So these are not LEDs, they are incandescent light bulbs, hence vintage. And that is pretty good because it means we should get some really nice colors. In fact, you even get some spare light bulbs, and it has an European plug for the main voltage, 220 volts pin. So I say let's actually test the wattage and see their color. Let's actually test them. Now that I plugged them in, we get a reading of 15 watts. Once again, they are incandescent, so it is kind of obvious that they are going to use quite some watts of LEDs. You can actually get quite some brightness for 15 watts. But hey, it's really about the color. Now on video it actually has a magenta-ish hue, and obviously you have multiple colors. It's not really magenta. However, I am displaying right now the calibrated image of it. So yeah, let's actually take a closer view, which is going to be a little bit hard to focus. I'm going to lock my focus. No. Yes, and the brightness, obviously. There we have. That's what I wanted to show you. Really, really nice. Now, what I have actually seen is that these blue ones actually have some spots on them, as you can see, where the color is kind of peeled off. I don't really know. It seems only particular for the blue lights. This one has one as well, as you can see. Also interesting, but the other colors seem to be normal. I definitely like the colors. It's actually pretty nice, just like the actual vintage ones. So, my final verdict. Are these lights actually worth that €1? Absolutely. They are brand new, they are amazing in color, and I just really like them. I'm actually pretty happy that they even sold some new incandescent light bulbs, because they have been really phased out for LEDs. So this was actually absolutely interesting, and for €1 it's actually pretty good. So if you have any questions and you want them to be answered, then write me a comment and I will answer them. Also, if you like this video, give this video a like, and of course subscribe if you want to support this channel and be notified when I do more of this stuff. I wish you a happy day and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.